Hey friends, it's Natasha, and today I'm going to show you rocks and minerals for little eyes. And this is from Northwest Treasures, and I will link it down below. But it is a Christian curriculum from a Christian point of view, which is hard to find when you're talking about rocks and minerals, because most curriculum will talk about millions of years and that sort of thing. But this is from a Christian young earth point of view. So this is from Northwest Treasures, but I actually bought this from the Creation Superstore. But if you buy directly from them, it's the husband and wife, like it's their phone number, you call it, everything. So they are super sweet. I actually have seen them at our convention. They're really, really awesome. Well, my 8 and 4-year-old love rocks and minerals. I got a whole complete set of rocks, minerals, and fossils from Lakeshore Learning, and I got this book to go along with it. Now, you can get rocks and minerals to go along with this from Northwest Treasures as well, but it's not as many as I got with Lakeshore. So anyway, so let's take a look at what we've got here. So we've got 11 lessons and 19 activities and a materials list. So this covers the creation of the earth, the flood, what is the earth made of, minerals, elements of the crust of the earth, rocks are made of minerals, what are the differences between the rocks, the types of rocks, plutonic, volcanic, metamorphic, sedimentary. Now get out in the field. And then our projects are density columns, splitting rocks with water, earth model, there's iron in that bar cereal, making crystals with Epsom salt, making crystals with sugar, rock investigation, fracture or cleavage, foaming rocks, cookie exploration, intrusive or extrusive, floating rock, lava rock candy dessert, making metamorphic rock candy, making sedimentary rock treats, making sedimentary rock, making sedimentary sandwiches, crayon rocks, and collecting rocks. Doesn't that sound fun? Yes, it does. Okay, so we have this introduction to the parents. The questions and activities appear in red in the text, and then we get right into the lesson. So you're just going to read this to your kiddos. And this is really neat because it's not a consumable book, so you can use it over and over again. If you have multiple kids, you'll want to use it with. Anyway, so you're going to just read this like a read aloud to your kids. And then in red, it says that's those questions and activities. Make a list of the things you remember. So that's something you should do with kids. And then we have some Bible verses that are in red as well. Okay, and so what are some of your favorite rocks? And then at the end it says, do activity number 1. And so then we would go to the back and we would have activity number 1. And it tells us the materials we need: honey, corn syrup, molasses, milk, oil, dish soap, pancake syrup, any other liquids you like, tray, a glass jar, small pitcher, a few small items like marbles, paperclip, eraser, piece of rock sand, etc. Okay, and then it gives you the directions to do the activity. And you'll want to keep an activity notebook to make appropriate comments, pictures, or notes as needed. And so that's really fun. You know, just pick up a spiral notebook or any kind of notebook you want as your lab journal, basically. Okay, then we have lesson 2, the flood. Again, it has verses for you. So you want to have your Bible out too, because it doesn't tell you, like it says, read this verse from God's Bible. Okay, but it doesn't write the verse out. So you definitely need to have your Bible handy. Okay, and then, and I find that's a good time to have the kids have their Bibles out too and have them practice finding the verse, because that's a really good skill. You know, those sword drills, you might have heard them called, you know, finding the verses as fast as they can. So that's a good skill to work on. And then do activity 2. So I won't skip back and forth. I'll show you all the activities, but I'm just going to flip through here. Lesson 3, what is the earth made of? Lesson 4, minerals, elements, and crust of the earth. So I'm just going to flip through, like this lesson, do activities 5 and or 6, so you can choose. Do activities 7, 8, and 9. So there's more activities than there are lessons. That's because some of the lessons have multiple activities to do. So you might not want to do them all in one day. You might want to spread them out. And since there's only 11 lessons, you can really do this however you like. If you want to do one lesson a day, you want to do one lesson a week, totally up to you. Okay. Now here we get back into the activities. So the activity 2, splitting rocks with water. And then activity 3, earth model. So it tells you all the materials you'll need. And this is, having cookies and things like that for activities. This is right up the alley for little kids. Lava rock chocolate. I mean, that's right up the alley for moms. Oh, I just love this. Enjoy your chocolate. I can't wait. I'm so excited to do this. Look, marshmallows, Rice Krispies. I mean, come on now. This is so fun. I'm literally giddy about this. Okay, and then here's the full material list if you want to gather all your materials at once. There's the materials list and the list of rocks and minerals. Now, you don't have to have the rocks and minerals to do this. There's pictures in here, so it's fine. It's just my kids love those, and so that's why we got them. And then, of course, their contact information, and that's it. So that is rocks and minerals for little eyes, and they also have other ones. They have volcanoes for little eyes and another one in the Little Eyes series, and then they have books for older elementary kids, middle school, high school, adults. They have everything. So I'll link their website down below. And if you have any questions, let me know. But I just wanted to show you this because I haven't found anything else like it. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.